Hi there, my name is Micah, and I have a fun song for us all to play. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or more advanced song, I think you should learn something and have fun in the process. So let's go over the chords here. You're going to have a G major chord. All of you have probably seen this before. You're going to have a C chord and also a D chord. So G, C, and D. Gotta love those three chords there. You're also going to have an A minor, an E minor, and lastly a B7. Let's go over those chords, and I'll slow it down some too. So we have a G chord, C, D, A minor, E minor, and B7. Now, if you don't have those chords memorized yet, there's a link in the description with the whole song laid out and the chords. So just pause the video and work on those chords for a little bit if you need to. Now, if you are a beginner, when you're reading through the piece, don't worry about the strumming pattern. Just play each chord one at a time. It'll look something like this. We'd have G, and then C, back to G, and D. So just strumming each of the chords once. If you're an intermediate player, you can go ahead and do the strumming. The strumming is just quarter notes, so you'd play each chord 4 times. It'd sound like this. Player, you can add a whole bunch more strumming. Or you can also play the scales on top of this. It's inside the key of G major, so you could use any G major scale. I'm going to go through a pentatonic scale real quickly here. So it would actually be using the open position of the pentatonic scale. So you'd have an open E string, 3rd fret, open A, 2nd fret, open 2nd, open 2nd, open 3rd, open 3rd. So that's the scale you can use. Alright, let's go ahead and play the song though. Make sure you have the link open so you can follow along and play. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. song. I hope you guys had fun. Keep practicing.